Hi, Chef Claire here today, and we are going to use the Emeril Pasta and Beyond Pasta Maker. So I have 2 cups that come with the product, okay? This is the dry cup measure, which measures out your flour, whether you use semolina or all-purpose or whatever flour you're making if you're making a whole wheat. So this is your dry cup measure. This one is the liquid measure. I have 1 batch is the single cup and 2 batches are the double cup. So once again, if you're using the dry and you're going to make a double batch, which is roughly a pound, you're going to use 2 of these. And if you're when you're using the liquid, you're going to use either 1 or 2. That tells you the batches. Okay? Now we're going to fill it with flour. So the dry ingredients, it's really important that you don't pack down the flour because we measure precisely using this cup measure, right? We want to make sure it's leveled off. And again, I didn't pack it down. So there you go. Now we're going to put the salt in. Half a teaspoon of salt goes in. Again, salt is for flavor. If for some reason you don't have your cup that comes with the Emeril pasta maker, then what you can use is 1 1/4 cups. You can use your own tools as well. So we're going to put the lid back on. It's just that simple. 1 egg for 1 batch. And what we recommend is, what makes it a little easier is if you beat the egg prior to putting it into the cup. This way it doesn't get caught up in the liquid feeder on top of the machine, which is right here. So I'm going to pour that in. And again, we have to add half a tablespoon of oil. And then we're going to fill it to the batch line with water. And there we go. I'm going to give it another little mix. And we're going to go to the machine and push on and batch 1. And once the machine starts to roll, there you go, we're going to add the liquid. And I add the liquid at a steady pace. Back and forth. So I know it's going in 2 different levels. Now we wait for it to mix. And the reason we added oil to the liquid measuring cup is because it makes the pasta a little more pliable when coming out. So it's going to make it, A, it's going to give it flavor, which olive oil always gives flavor like salt. And B, it's going to make it go through the machine a little smoother, which is exactly what we want with pasta. So I've paused the machine because I'd really like for you to see what the consistency is of this dough so that you understand what you're looking for. This is it.
For more information, tips, tricks, and delicious recipes, please watch our videos at emerilpastabeyondinfo.com.